How's it going? Adam Drake here, and today I have a couple tips for your fuel bottle. So I have here the J-Concepts fuel bottle, also a ProTech bottle. You can use these same tips with the Mugen bottle or any of the bottles that are on the market. But what happens sometimes when the bottle gets old, the stem or the spout where the fuel comes out sometimes will turn in the base or the housing that goes into the bottle. And so I'm going to show you how you can just drill and set screw to secure this into place. If the whole base of this is turning in the bottle, that's a different problem. But I just want to show you, this is pretty common where this stem can start to turn. So I'm going to go ahead, I'll do one here, and then I'll also change the camera angle and do a second one, show you a little bit of a closer look. But basically what you're wanting to do is use a 2.4 to 2.5 millimeter drill bit. You don't want to go any bigger than that or the set screw can strip out. If you go smaller than that, because there's not really a lot of material here, it can also be easy to strip out. So I'm going to go on the side here, just offset from center, and then you'll just slowly, we'll line this up, and then slowly drill in. And then if you're going really slow, you'll see that it eats into the plastic. Kind of clean that out. And then you can look to see if you've hit the aluminum spout. It's fine if you hit the aluminum spout. That's actually what I'm kind of looking for. I want to drill until I just start to see a little bit of aluminum shavings. And then I will take a 3.3 millimeter set screw, thread that in. And again, it doesn't need to be super tight. You just want to make sure that that set screw kind of bites into this. Then it can't twist or turn. The other thing you'll notice, so here I have a, just a ProTech bottle that hasn't been touched. And you can see the angle of the spout here. Not a big deal. I like to bend this just a little bit more. That way when you're fueling the car, I just feel it has a little bit of a nicer angle, less chance of kind of spilling. And what I'll do with that is I'll just take a wrench, put it into the end here. You'll want to make sure it's super clean. Obviously you have your fuel coming out, so you don't want to have anything in there that can damage or any debris that can be in there. And then I'll just bend that just a little bit, just to give it a little bit more angle so it's a little bit easier to fill. So I'm going to go ahead and change the camera angle, and then I will drill and set screw this bottle so that you can have a little bit of a closer look as to what I'm doing here. Okay, so here you can see on this bottle, this one's the one that I just did, and it's finished. Super clean, 3.3 millimeter set screw after drilling with a 2.45 millimeter drill bit. So we're going to do the same thing here. Again, I want to go just offset of center from the stem, because if you go right on center with this, there's just not quite as much material. So I will go just offset of center. And again, go super slow. Don't want to go too fast and damage the bottle or miss and drill into your finger. So hopefully you can see there, you can kind of see just a little bit of the shiny aluminum behind there. Obviously this is black, so if I've drilled into it, you'll see that it's silver. I'm going to go just a touch more. So you just kind of start to see some aluminum flakes come out. And then take a 3 by 3 millimeter set screw. You can use any 3 millimeter screw. It's just really clean with the set screw when you do that. So you can see a couple different angles. And again, this will just stop this from being able to spin or twist in the base of the fuel bottle.